The sky is not the limit, I know, 'cause I feel higher today. Just wait another minute and I will think of something to say. I will climb the highest mountain for you, and I will cross every ocean. And finally you have to give in, yes, I'm a man of devotion. I want to make you understand that I will get you in the end. Yes, I will. It's just a matter of days. Yes, it is. And not a matter of days. Yes, it is. It's just a matter of time.